Sa another stamping event kita guys, and it's for a debut event with color palette beige, gold, and black. So disuyo items, mini pouch, bag tags, and medium pouches. So kung mira ustedes guys, todo se printed with thank you cards and packaging. So tiyan taman mga keychains, color black para na mga male. Naka-pre-stamp ya este for 18 roses disuyo. So ese mga nakabitay pa mga keychains color black for live stamping ele. So same taman na disuyo gold pouches, naka-pre-stamp taman for 18 candles. Meet our pretty debutant, si Azea. Si Zay also is a Rihanna's Kikay fanatic na din yung mga hair bows antes. And ara debutant yo god, my god, tardega na crafting. Event styling and coordination by Mamang Joey Garcia. Guys, if need ustedes styling, bongas. Tasty spread and choco fountain by MY Cakes. And mobile bar by V-Bar. Super gorgeous cake by MY Cakes, Madeline Fernando. Grabe el ganap ki apuera. And guys, have taman mga mini pouches na naka-pre-stamp for treasures this way. So guys, again, for any event, pwede ustedes man request kumigo man pre-stamp ya el otro mga items para na de ustedes mga VIPs. And the rest of the items pwede man live stamping para na general audience. So that's it for the day. See you next on site guys. Bye!